Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuffing Things. Today I've got a special little surprise, something a little different that I think you are going to enjoy. So come on and let's get cooking. So we are cooking a flank steak today. It's almost 2.5 pounds, so I'm super excited. We're gonna do the prep work here. You have to marinate this one and then we're gonna go cook it somewhere else. I'm just gonna kind of make this marinade up as I go. I'm gonna be using soy sauce, a special little garlic seasoning, some infused sea salt, honey, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then some minced garlic as well. So you gotta play around with it and add things as you go, and you know, always start off small and you can add more. So I'm just gonna take my olive oil and brush it right on the flank steak, instead of putting it in the marinade. So just take it, I don't know, personal preference. You could do whatever you want. Put it on one side, flip that bad boy over. Now, flank steak is one of those steaks, guys, you have to marinate it. It's not gonna be as good if you don't. I promise. Then I'm going to take the steak, put it in a Ziploc. Let me know, how do you marinate? I've always seen, my family has always used bags. I think it's a great way. Then you just pour your mixture right over the top. So good. Then you massage. Let all the air out of your Ziploc, put it in the fridge, and there you go. Come back, and it's gonna be so happy later on when you go to cook it. Okay, we'll see you in a couple hours. It's been a few hours, but we're back, and I just wanted to let you guys know, if you have the option to marinate overnight, I would highly recommend doing that. I didn't plan ahead, but it's okay. It's gonna be great. So I went ahead and cut up some zucchini and squash and onions and put some oil on there and garlic and pepper and just, oh, it smells so good. And then we are gonna use riced cauliflower and make a rice, like a fried rice. So I've got some sesame oil and soy sauce and eggs to go with that, and then some cut up onion that we're gonna take down and start cooking. So here we are. How is this backdrop? I love this change of scenery. It's so cool. And guys, I might get some help on this one because I've cooked a little bit on the Blackstone, but not a ton. So I'm gonna make sure that I have like the best guy. So my sous chef is gonna become the main chef tonight. I've made everything, prepped it for him. All he has to do is cook it. That's it.
You just kind of brought me in, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Just kind of brought you in.
Okay.
You know how to do
I
it.
literally thought you were cooking this one. I did.
Hey, you gotta get that sizzle. You better pour that on there.
This is all gonna run out the back.
Sure.
This is different. This is different. It's different than what
I don't agree on this.
No, it's different than what you're used to.
But should I get the rice going?
Yeah, definitely.
The faux rice?
Right. A little bit of sesame oil goes a long way.
I
You want
know
to do
that.
butter first? No, I was telling
I
them
know
that.
how to cook. Okay. Stay in your lane, sir.
Wow. I didn't know it was going to be aggressive.
We have our supervisor coming out to make sure we're doing a good job. So I did cut up some onion for the faux rice. Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy.
You don't want to use a lot of sugar on a griddle because it's just gonna cake. It's gonna stick.
Yeah.
So you don't want a lot of sugar in your marinade.
Yeah. Ace has got this thing, y'all. Have you ever heard of the Jack Daniel's marinade? People use that. Ace does not use that. He does not use that marinade. I'm not allowed to have that marinade.
That stuff, it will ruin a grill. Ruin it.
Like aggressive with a little butter dish. Wow. No sugar, but tons of butter.
Put that rice on there and shut up.
You're a guest on Scylla Stuffing Things, sir. You can't tell me to shut up on my own show. Stuff is so good. I actually have a video, and I love to put chicken in here, make like a chicken fried rice. It's a garlic spice blend that I got from Blowing Room.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's near where Isaiah goes to school. If there is a spice shop, your girl's going inside, and I'm gonna buy all the spices. Yeah.
I'm trying to show them what we're working with here. It's good stuff. Smells great. There you go.
You gotta add some salt and pepper.
Yep. And you don't need a Blackstone to do this. Like, you can buy a griddle top for your stovetop. You know, like a griddle pan.
That's what I normally do inside. That's how I cook.
Yeah. All right. Eggs are good.
Okay, but you need more sugar. You gotta get a nice brown coloring. Look at us.
Wait,
Thumbnail.
is that thumbnail?
Ooh, maybe filming a Still Stuffing Things outside on the Blackstone.
All right, so I'm gonna move this down, the vegetables down a bit, and get some heat on them with that lid. Trap all that heat in there and let them kind of cook themselves.
We are ready. We're gonna mix our vegetables and our rice because we don't really care. But you can do it however you want to do it. And I did do a video on this faux rice, and just so you know, I added peas and carrots to that one. This one, I'm a lefty.
You're stressing me out. You can use the sides here.
I didn't.
You use the sides to.
This one I didn't put it in there because I was cooking vegetables with it. So, oh yeah, these are perfect.
All right, I am gonna pull this thing off. We got some thinner parts and some thicker parts to it. So if we do need to go back on the grill with the thicker parts, we can.
That's the story of my life. I got thinner parts and thicker parts.
We can go back on if we need to, but I don't want to overcook the thinner parts. Yeah, it is supposed to rest. Okay. We don't have that kind of time.
Okay.
We don't have that kind of time. We have a hungry family. Oh my gosh, that would be hilarious. Oh yeah, see?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Can y'all see that? Hold on. I need to sharpen my knife.
I was going to say, there's a knife.
My knife has spent a lot of time on that griddle, so it's, you know, cutting on that griddle. Oh yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's pretty right there, y'all. That's pretty.
Here's our finished product. So we've got the flank steak, the faux fried rice, and then the vegetables. I think it turned out awesome. I hope it tastes just as good. And I made you a plate, so here you go.
Thanks.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.